The drums of battle beat like hearts as soldiers march, each life in parts, with dreams of peace that lie ahead. Yet still they tread where many tread. Through smoke and fire, through pain and loss, they carry forth despite the cost. For in the struggle hope can bloom. Amidst the chaos life finds room. In every tear the earth does weep, in every promise made to keep. May wisdom grow from ash and dust, and guide our hearts to heal, to trust. So let us raise the voices strong in unison against the wrong. For war may come with darkened skies, but love and peace they rise.